Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in this video in which we will discuss data cleansing or data formatting in our desired format, which we received maybe from different sources, internally or externally. Okay, on the right side, I have I received this data in this format, but my target is to bring this into this format, which is on the left side, right? So there are extra spaces, enter keys, tabs, etc. Let's say, see here, there is a space which is not there on the left side. So now, in order to do this, we will use Microsoft Word, right? Because here we cannot see where there are keys or how many keys are there. So what I will do, I will open or select all data, this into Microsoft Word, right? Here it is. Now, to see what key was pressed on certain place, we have to enable this option by clicking this icon or click Control plus asterisk, which is written over there. Now, if you see here, this is paragraph sign, or it is called enter key. This arrow is tab key, and this dot inside this word, this is space bar or white space, right? So now at the same time we will do manually as well as we will record the macro, so next time we don't need to do it, right? Okay, to record macro, we will go to view, macro, record macro, and I will name it data cleaning training, right? And click OK. Sorry, I have to remove the space. So I will say data cleaning training, or you can put underscore as you like. Okay. Now the recording is started. So what steps I will do? These will be recorded. So on next file, I don't need to repeat these steps. Okay. First, Control H, or you can go to home and click replace, right? Okay, first time let's see this one. So by default this screen will appear. Let me remove these things. So in this you will not able to do much, because first you have to learn how to bring this enter key and all those keys. So click this more button, then down you have the special. So click here, click special and click paragraph sign. So it is caret sign small p. So again, if I have to do, I will copy this, or on my 6 key, shift 6, if I will press, I will get this caret sign. Let me put it shift this and p small p, paragraph. So again down here, caret sign and paragraph or P. So two paragraph or two enter keys will be replaced by 1 and replace all. 20 replacement done. If there are still more than 2, so replace until we will get 0 replacement, right? We got 0 replacements. So all our enter keys which were extra are removed. So now only one enter key, which is for the next line, will remain. Okay, now next is remove this one, and now we will try to find if there are extra tab keys. So I will click here, which is T, and here again 2 T small t, replace with caret sign shift 6. On different keyboards it might be on different place, but with me shift 6 and then T, and replace all, replace all, replace all. So there is no duplicate tab key as well. Done. If you see here now, here this tab key is inside our text. So if you see here, after tab there is a space, right? So I will do again Control H. I will remove one tab and will put you can come here and you can click white space, right, and replace with one white space. So caret sign W. So if there are tab and space, it will be replaced with a space bar. Replace all for the replace with box. Okay, I will do replace like this, and let me try with this. One replacement done. There is any other? No. So or you can put like this here as well, space. So next I will do if there is any space and tab, right, another scenario, but here we have already pressed one space, right. So I will do space, that's it. Okay, what is left now? I think it is covered now. All formatting done, except I think this one. Here there is no tab which is removed for some reason in the data. So I will copy this up to this, let's say, and I will say Control H, Control V, remove this next space. So fixed sum should be replaced with the tab and fixed sum. Remove this extra space because we are not replacing here. Replace all. So one replacement done, and there is a now space. A tab key. Done. Our data is formatted the way we want it. Okay, I will stop my recording for the macros, right? And this is done. Now what I will do, I will remove this. Now if let me copy it. Okay, let me disable this. Control C, and if you see here, now I will paste on top of it. So I should be able to compare here, right? If you see here my other file, so it is same, right? And just imagine these are few lines, but you can have thousands of lines. So this is the quickest way to do it, right? And if still you find any challenge or anything missing, you can perform that step, right? Okay, now let's move to our what I will do, I will copy the data again, which is unformatted, and we will run the macro. How macro can do it? Control C. I will replace this, right, like, okay. If you see here, now I will run that macro, view and view macros, and this second one, right. So run. What is this? Anyway, this is performed. Maybe there was some step which was clicked outside this Word file. So all those manual steps are done, right? That's it. I think this will help you to format your data if it is in text format or any other format which you copied from Notepad or something else, and you have to maybe take it to some other format. Objective is to show the technique. It's not that your data will be exactly in the same format and you will be doing the same steps. No, it will be different, right? But idea like how to manage your spaces, how to manage your extra enter keys, tab keys, etc. Right? So please share your comments if it helped you, and if still any query, please ask in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.